Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com with the card kit reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit. This one is perfect for your early fall card making and it's called Be Happy. The stamp set's also called Be Happy. It's a 6x8 clear stamp. On the left side it features some flowers that can be layered together. And then on the right side there's this really great honeycomb stamp and some bees. The messages are all really nice and bold, so you can add them to your images for beautiful inspirational cards. We also have a die set in this kit, and this is a CZ Design Scripty Hello dies, and it's a two-piece die, so you have that really nice script in the center and then that outside shadow. We're including the Simon Says Stamp Crisscross Floral Embossing Folder, and this is a really beautiful design, great for a background, and it has that crisscross pattern with also some little tiny flowers in each of the crossings. For a fun technique, we're also including the Tim Holtz sanding disc, and you can add these to your mini blending tools. And what's really fun is you can just run this really gently over the upper edges of your embossing folder sample to reveal that white core paper underneath. This really accentuates the design, and I'll show you up close where you can see that just really nicely with that white core paper. We're also including a distress crayon. The colors will vary from kit to kit, but I'll show you really quickly how you can use this on your embossed panel. With that white core paper exposed, now you can color it in with a different color, and the crayon's really easy to just work into that paper. And now you can stain that to create a two-tone background. We're also including the Simon Says Stamp background blending brush, and this is a really nice flat brush. It's an 1.5 inches and is great for creating quick backgrounds with your inks and color blending. You'll also receive the Retro Flower 6x6 stencils, and they have etching on the bottom so you know which way is up, so you can put these together. There's also a marking to show your A2 card size. So you have the floral base, then you have the stems, and you also have some small flowers that you can set around, and then also the flower centers. And so once everything goes together, you can create an A2 panel with your different colored elements. To layer up items onto your cards, we're also including the Paper Rose Be Happy 6x8 die cut elements, and these are 2 sheets. These can be punched out from that background paper, and these items are all in that sunflower look that will go really well with all of your sentiments from the stamp set. To help add dimension to your die cuts, we're also including a sheet of the Scrapbook Adhesives foam adhesives. We have some 6x6 papers for you. There's 6 sheets of double-sided papers. These are from Paper Rose Be Happy, and they feature all those beautiful yellows, sunflowers, bees, and honeycombs. And as a reminder, these are a white core center, so these will work really well with that embossing folder. Some of these sheets are really great as a full card front, or you can also cut out some of those elements to create small tags and mini cards. There are also some distress looking papers, and I think these are really great to go with the sanding disc. And finally, we have 2 sheets of cardstock for you. We have the Simon Says Stamp Glossy Black and also the 110-pound Nina White. So that's it for the reveal, and up next I have some inspiration from our designers. I've created a card using the embossing folder on some background paper, and I also sanded it and then used some of those die cut elements and the hello die. Kathy Zelsky stamped that honeycomb pattern in some beautiful colors and added a message on top along with a queen bee and crown. Tina Smith created a card using the embossing folder and then trimmed out the bottom pattern and underneath stamped those honeycombs and adorned everything with a few stamp patterns on top. And finally, Keisha Charles used that stencil set to create a beautiful background along with her die cut hello on top. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Be Happy. Be sure to check the links below for how to purchase this kit and also how to find additional inspiration on our blog post. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at SimonsSaysStamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.